Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you've already been a subscriber of mine, welcome back. If you are new, then welcome to the channel. Welcome to the Somali game. Thank you so much for tuning in. Today, I want to talk to you guys about this Schlade unit. This hair is from Ayiya Hair. They reached out to me to do a review. This hair is a 4x4 transparent lace closure wig in the length 22 inches. This hair is bomb, you guys. I actually show you guys how I installed this wig, and I also give you a little bit more specs throughout the video. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get in hair.com. It says love yourself, be yourself. I love that. Inside of the packaging, they give you this little pouch, but look at these goodies that we have here. Black wig cap, lashes, edge holder, clip. Oh, this is cute. This is my style. And a brush and a comb. I'm so happy that they gave me this because these, I don't know what's going on. I don't know if I'm eating them or what, but they just disappeared. Baby girl, no exaggeration, she is thick. Thick. I already did my bald cap, so I want to show you guys what this looks like on. This is giving real Rapunzel vibes. I feel like I haven't worn my hair like this in so long. So I did bleach the knots. Let me get a little bit closer so that you can see. It is pretty much transparent. Like, seriously. Seriously. Look at that. So when they say transparent, they mean transparent. So normally you guys know that I like to use gotta be glued hairspray or gotta be glued hair gel, but this time I'm trying something different. I haven't did this in a while, so I'm going to be using the ESHA lace bond glue. I have literally had this glue for, oh my god, I think like a year. I've had this glue for a minute. Glue is supposed to be waterproof. This glue is supposed to be top notch, top tier. I have 2 workouts, 2 spin classes to do tomorrow. So I really want to see if my wig is going to stay throughout my workouts. Yes, and that's on period. Period. I probably take you guys with me. It's been a while since I did a watch me shrink, but I'm getting ready to go to Miami. And I'm not saying I'm only working out because I'm going to Miami. If you follow me on Snapchat gang, y'all already know. So just because it's transparent, I want to make it a little bit more transparent. I did my makeup a little bit earlier in the day, and I have a little bit of leftover makeup on my brush. So I just want to add a little bit of that to my lace. Some people like to apply their makeup to the lace after, like around it after. I prefer before, during, and after. Sometimes when you do your units, you take away your forehead. I think that's good. That's perfect. I'm gonna go ahead and just put it along here, along the line. I'm not putting it on my skin. I'm actually putting it on the cap. And this is water resistant. We about to see. We about to find out. Cause Snapchat gang, y'all follow me on Snapchat. You know what it is. You know what it is. Let me relax. Relax, Somali. I have to be more feminine. You guys, you know what it is. You know what it is. You know what it ain't. You know what really be going on Snapchat. Your girl really be working out. I show you guys my Apple Watch. I'm serious. I'm serious, man. Y'all know I lost like 100 pounds. I'm not at 100 pounds anymore. I'm at about 70. I gained some weight back, y'all. Gained about 30 back. I know. I'm gonna bring it down a little bit. This is water resistant, you guys. We about to see. ESHA. We gonna find out what's really going on. ESHA. Did you come to play or did you come to play? Which one? Which one? Choose one. Let me look at the directions. It says shake well. I did not shake well. Make sure to remove raw oil. I did not remove raw oil. Apply a thin layer of ESHA lace bond glue evenly around your hairline. When the glue becomes tacky, approximately 30 seconds, apply the lace wig on the application area and press for 1 minute or until firmly in place. Make sure the ESHA lace bond glue is dry before applying any additional coats for extra strength. Wow, my lace glue is drying because this is the natural state of the hair. I did wash it and it got thicker than it actually was, which is crazy to me. Crazy to me. This hair is 22 inches long. I'm gonna just run my flat iron through it for you guys. Hair is super thick. It is super full. It straightens really, really well. So I just want to show you guys how the hair looks pressed out. So this side is how it looks pressed out, and this side is actually how it looks in a natural state. So as you can see, the hair is very pretty both ways. However way you want to say it, however way you want to put it, both hairs is bomb. Ayiya Hair, stop playing with them, period.
Nothing else to say, like, period. Period.
So as you can see, one side is pretty much drying quicker than the other side, which is this side is drying quicker than this side. This side is tacky and this side isn't, so I'm gonna give it a little bit longer. I don't think that I put on a thin layer, I put on a thick layer, so this is probably why it's giving me this difficulty. But I'm gonna go ahead and finish flat ironing my hair and I will be back. So I'm back. It's still not fully dry, but I don't care. I'm about to go ahead and just press it on down. And as you can see, it is showing through my lace, but I'll be back. I'm gonna blow dry it and come right back. And I'm back. So what I did basically, you guys, is I took my blow dryer on a cool setting and I blow dried the front of my lace for maybe about 10 minutes. It literally took that long. And I also took the end of my tail comb and pressed it in.
Period.
So when I am cutting my lace, I like to section it off and I like to cut it in sections. So I have 4 sections to cut, that therefore I can focus on each section individually, and getting like the little ringlets, which you don't want, is a straight across look, because that makes it look very unnatural. So when you take an eyebrow shaver and you take your time and go across your lace very slowly and in an irregular pattern, it really makes a huge difference in how natural your unit looks. Sometimes there will be times where you need to pull out your scissors and get it cracking, and that's pretty much what I'm doing here. Just catching any piece that I might have missed with my eyebrow shaver. And as you can see, it's looking good, it's looking flat, it's looking right, it's looking natural. Go in as you see fit. And I'm just taking a little bit of that leftover foundation and putting it on my lace. And now I am about to form my baby hairs. Now this is optional. You don't necessarily have to do this, but I like my baby hairs. I feel like it brings a bit of softness to my face, a little bit of youth. So this is just what I like to do. And I'm just taking a little bit of mousse because I learned this method. I think this was Tay method actually. This is like the better version of doing your baby hair so that they come out soft and not hard and not harsh. So this is my first time trying this method where you curl your baby hairs first and then, you know, you go ahead in with your razor and you cut them down so that they're already curled. So you don't have to put like a heavy gel that's gonna weigh it down and make it look synthetic-y and make it look unnatural, you know. So this is definitely an option that you guys can use. So now I'm just taking my edge holder and tying my edges down, tying my lace down so that ESHA glue can marinate, curling up my baby hair so that they lay nice and flat. And yeah, I'll be back. Hi guys, so I am back. This is the final look of the wig.
On time looking for the bounce, yeah. Ozzy had to bounce, yeah. Come with me, leave all your things, yeah. We can stop at Gucci, stop at Louis V, yeah. Come with me, fly you at the crease. Phone speed, so on the body. Come with me, leave all your things, yeah. We can stop at Gucci, stop at Louis V, yeah. Come with me, fly you at the crease.
It's 22 inches long and it hit me about waist length. I absolutely love this wig. It is super flat. It looks super natural. It looks like my real hair. Yes, I do have excessive baby hairs because that's how I like it. Honestly, I feel like hair isn't good hair if it don't fight me back a little bit. So I definitely fought to keep this hair in a straight state, which is good for me because it definitely lets me know that this hair has not been processed. So when hair doesn't get bone straight, or you have to do a little bit more manipulation to it to get it to look a certain way, I kind of appreciate that because it just lets me know, okay, this hair is actually virgin hair. My natural hair fights me back a little bit to stay straight. So I really appreciate the fact that I'm actually getting virgin hair. When I bleached the knots, I did notice that the knots were a little bit hard to bleach. However, that's not a big issue because as you can see, baby, it looks very natural. So I did notice that the knots were a little bit resistant. If I would have bleached the knots twice, it probably would have looked better than this. I did not have any issues with shedding. I did not have any issues with tangling. I absolutely love the 4x4 closure because it is beginner friendly. Frontals are a little bit harder for beginners to manipulate. So if you are a beginner and you're not into the lace wig or the lace frontals and all of the manipulation that you gotta do, then this is your girl. This is what you need in your life. Something simple, something easy, something you really don't have to glue down, but I glued it down because I'm going to the gym tomorrow and I really wanna. I go to the gym every Saturday, first off. I go to the gym like 4 days a week. Snapchat gang, y'all already know what it is. But I'm going to the gym tomorrow because I have my ESHA lace glue and I really want to see if this hair is going to give not this hair. I really want to see if this lace glue is going to give what it's supposed to give. Is it going to give what it's supposed to give? So I'm going to find that out tomorrow and I'll keep you guys posted about that. I'll do a video, a vlog, or whatever. You follow me on Snapchat, you probably get the video before it's actually uploaded because I just can't wait. Thank you guys so freaking much for watching and checking in with your girl. Make sure that you leave a comment down below. What do you think about this hair? What do you think exactly? Give this video a big thumbs up. Give me a heart down below. Show me some love. And I will see you guys